not shared screen also. Now shared, right?
Yes, uncle.
So remember this guy, George Cantor, very important brain, nice brained guy. Okay, sets are convenient because all mathematical structures can be regarded as sets. So very nice development, different thing in mathematics this is. Okay, now in probability also you will be using sets only. Now we finished probability without coming to sets, set theory at all. A union B, A intersection B, all of that. Now we will do that and it will become very easy for you. If you go back and do your probability sums, it will be even more easy for you. Okay. 9th standard maths is the easiest. 8th is a lot of things to learn. 10th also some things are there to learn. But 9th standard mathematics very easy. Okay. To describe what are the learning outcomes in this lesson, to describe a set in different forms. Okay, that means sets can be represented in different forms. Okay, what are the different forms? We will see that later also. Then different types of sets are there. Okay, null sets, this set, that set, universal set, like that. Different types of sets are there. So we have to see what are those sets. Okay, then to understand and perform set operations. See, what is the point of having sets if you cannot perform some operations on them? Okay, operations means no in medicine, doctor to surgeon. A surgeon is doing some operation on a patient and changing something. Okay, he's putting in a new heart, or he's taking away what's say malign growth. Malign growth is being taken away. So when you do operations, something is changed. Okay, so then you are going to see Venn diagrams, how sets are relating to Venn diagrams. That also you remember. Okay, now commutative, associative, distributive properties among sets. Okay, if A union B is equal to B union A, then it is commutative. If A union B union C is equal to A union B union C, then that is associative. Like that, there are some properties. So among sets also, okay, when you do some operations on sets, what kind of properties are coming? And then understand and verify De Morgan's laws. This is very important. Advanced sets, first time you are coming into De Morgan's laws. Then finally, what you should do, finally, after you learn all the mathematics, what you should do? You have to solve real life word problems, real life world problems. No, that is why mathematics is there. Many people think maths is there to trouble you. Maths is not there to create trouble for you or make life tough for you. Maths is there to solve real world problems. Okay, you take all this mathematics, you apply it in physics, chemistry, statistics, in social sciences, in all kinds of, in psychology, in sociology, in all of that, in order to solve real world problems. That is the whole thing. As I told you, set language is used in what? Set language is used in probability. And where is probability used? Probability is the fundamental usage for inductive logic. And where is inductive logic used? Inductive logic is the basis of all science. All the scientific discoveries, everything in life are due to what? Inductive logic. Inductive logic is probabilistic logic. Deductive logic is certainty based logic. So you see, everything connects up. So if you want to do research, basic research, you better understand set theory, all that. Okay, let us go and start with the introduction. Okay, tell me, Sandhya, what all they have finished, which all chapters they have finished for you? Sandhya, in school, which all chapters they have finished for you? What happened? Which chapters and all they have finished for you in school? I'll show the chapters. You tell me which one they have finished. Set language.
1.2 totally. They have finished.
Set language finished, huh?
Yes, uncle.
They finished everything in set language or did only till 1.5?
Till 1.8 completed, uncle.
Everything till 1.5 they finished. Okay. Very good. Which month they finished? August, huh? Don't know. Okay. Real numbers, when they finished? Finished or not?
Not yet, uncle.
Real numbers not finished. Oh, only set language is finished. Algebra?
Algebra also not completed, uncle.
Only set language they finished, huh?
Yes, uncle. Half of it, real numbers and algebra, they have completed half of it.
What?
And in
Real
geometry,
numbers, algebra, they completed half of, huh?
yes, uncle.
Half they completed.
Yes, uncle.
Why they completed half of? Because skipped portions, huh?
Don't know, uncle.
No, the government has given only some portions have to be done, correct? So search and all, for example, need not be done. Search, rationalization of search, all that need not be done. Like that, no? In that case, can you give me that? I think you gave me once. I'll see
Yes.
what is there. The
Okay.
portions that are skipped, right?
Mm.
Okay, where you sent, I have to see portions that are skipped. Maybe that is why they skipped. Reduced syllabus. Yes, I have that. Let me check that reduced syllabus. Why they didn't 11th standard, 9th standard syllabus. Mathematics, 9th standard. Sets only 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is there. That is what your thing, no?
But they have completed fully, uncle.
But they completed fully, yeah?
Then only they have omitted.
No, you tell me correctly. Did they tell only 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 is there? இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னாங்களா இல்ல தெரியாம பண்ணிட்டாங்களா? They completed everything without knowing.
Without knowing, uncle.
Then only first 4 is there. Types of
Yes,
sets.
uncle.
That's all. Only that is there. Real numbers also only first 5 is there. Surds and rationalization of surds, scientific notation not there. Algebra also linear equations in 2 variables is not there. Only up to greatest common divisor is there. Okay. Now we finished coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics, probability. We finished everything, so no need to worry about that. Set language is very reduced syllabus, but I don't think we should reduce the syllabus. Let us finish everything. And then we'll start, what will start? Algebra will start. Or real numbers will start. Let us start algebra after set language. Okay?
Okay.
This month we will finish set language and algebra, October. Then next month we will finish real numbers and geometry, November, and after that we will start the revisions. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
We'll start revisions. December onwards we'll start revision. Okay, that will be fine. Then you will have very good confidence. Okay, introduction, set language. But a very reduced syllabus, yeah. Only first 4 is there. That's very bad. What you will learn if you reduce the syllabus like that? In our daily life, come on, let us read. Somebody read. Anybody wants to read this thing, please read.
In our daily life, we often deal with collection of objects like books, stamps, coins, etc. Set language is a mathematical way of representing a collection of objects. Let us look at the following pictures. What do they represent?
What is the following pictures?
1.1.
No, wait. Which pictures? These pictures. Like figure 1.1 and figure 1.2. Okay. What is figure 1.1? What is it a set of?
Represents a collection of household items.
A collection of what? What is figure 1.1?
Collection of fruits, uncle.
Collection of fruits. Okay. What is figure 1.2 then? What is common?
Household items.
Huh?
Household items, uncle.
Oh, speak properly. Okay. Household items. Okay. Electrical or electronic items. Okay. Household items. Okay. Your book is telling household items, so you are telling household items. Okay. So that is what a set of fruits, set of household items. Okay. Then continue to read this. Arpana
We
can read
observe
this.
in these
We observe in these cases, our attention turns from one individual object to a collection of objects based on their characteristics. Any such collection is called a set.
So based on their characteristics, that's what is important. All this, whether banana or grapes or apple, they have a same characteristics, no? A common characteristic they have. Okay, that is what makes them a set of fruits. Although they are different objects, they are the same characteristic they have, they share, therefore a set of objects. Okay. Okay, Arpana continue, set.
A set is a well-defined collection of objects.
You have to
Here,
define it correctly. Vaguely, if you define, then put some objects together, put a banana, put some varaka also, then you put some ladies' fingers, okay, then you put on 3-4 electric bulbs and tube lights, okay, all of that, and you say, oh, see, look, there are some 12 objects, now we have a set. Is it a set?
no, uncle.
You have to define it very well, okay. Unless you define it well, it's not going to work. Okay. Continue.
Here, well-defined collection of objects means that given a specific object, it must be possible for us to decide whether the object is an element of the given collection or not. The
That
objects
is
of a
the
set.
meaning of well-defined. So you must define the objects in such a way that, இது வந்து இந்த செட்ல வருமா வராதா? You must be able to pick that object and immediately say, okay, is it belonging to the set of objects or not? Okay, suppose I'm saying computer gadgets, all are computer accessories. Okay, then I am showing this. Okay, is it a computer accessory? Is it belonging to the set of all computer accessories? I'm asking.
Could you repeat the question, uncle?
I'm showing this.
Okay, uncle.
Is this belonging to the set of computer accessories?
Yes, uncle.
Very
Yes.
good. How you know? Because it is used with a laptop or computer in order to do things. Okay. Oh, I didn't switch on my video. That's what I discovered. The objects of a set are called its members or elements. Okay. That also you know. What are the members of this set of all computer gadgets? Can you tell one more member of the computer gadget? Set of computer gadgets.
Keyboard.
What is this?
A mouse.
Okay. What else?
Keyboard, uncle.
Keyboard. Okay. What about this?
Charger.
Charger. Okay. What about this?
Stylus. Yes, uncle.
Yeah, stylus. Okay. What about this?
Notepad.
It's a pad. It's not a notepad. Yeah. It's a pad on which you draw. Okay. So all these are members. Okay. Is this a computer accessory?
No, uncle.
So the definition is very important. Is this a computer accessory?
No.
Okay. Continue to read.
The object of a set are called its members or elements. For example, the collection of all books in a district central library, the collection of all colors in a rainbow, the collection of prime numbers.
These are all very well defined. So let us take the third case. I am telling a number 7. Is it a part of the set of prime numbers or not?
Yes, uncle.
Okay,
Yes,
very good.
uncle.
Okay, I am telling light green. Is it part of the set of colors in a rainbow?
No, uncle.
No.
Yeah, it is not. Okay, light green is not there. Very good. So now it is very well defined. You see how you are defining it. That is the whole thing. Hmm. District Central Library, which one you can think of in Tamil Nadu? In Chennai?
Anna
Panimara
Library, uncle.
Huh?
Anna Library.
Anna Library, Panimara Library. Okay, those are all the two big ones. Very good. Okay, all the books inside that. Okay, continue to read.
I should read, uncle.
Whoever wants to. Anybody else wants to? Sandhya, you can read then.
Okay, uncle.
Hmm.
We see that in the adjacent box, statement 1, 2, 3, and 4 are well defined.
No, 1, 2, and 4.
1,
Not 3 and 4.
2, and sorry, uncle.
Hmm.
Are well defined and therefore they are sets.
First read
Whereas
those.
3 and 4.
First read that box. What is inside that box? Red box.
Okay, uncle. Which of the following are sets? Number 1, collection of natural numbers. 2,
What does that
collection
mean?
of
Collection of natural numbers. What does that mean?
Numbers starting from 1.
1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. Next one.
alphabets.
What is that?
From A to Z.
Okay. Then third one.
Not a set, uncle.
Why? There are
Because
no
we
good
don't know
students in
how
your
many
class.
people
Are
are
there
in the
not any good
class and
students in your class? There are good students in your class, right?
yes,
So
uncle.
why it is not a set?
We
Because
can't
they
judge
might
that, uncle.
change.
They might change. Okay.
We can't judge that, uncle.
Exactly. You cannot judge it also. They might change. One day they'll be good, one day they'll be bad is one thing. The other thing you can, how can you judge? Because good is a very subjective term. It is not an objective term. So that is why the definition is vague. So if you vaguely define it, then it cannot be part of a set, the collection of good students in a class. Can you redefine it in a sharp way so that you can have a set of students? Good students, can you define good in some other sharp way? All those students who get within top 20 ranks, if you say like that.
Students who got more than 50 marks in the test.
Students who got more than 50 marks. Okay, they are good students. Then it is properly defined, is the sharp definition. Okay. Fourth one.
Collection of states in our country.
How many
Collection of
states you are having now? Yeah, when I was studying, it was 22, then it became 23, 24, 25, 26.
Now
How
it's
many
29, uncle.
29 states now. Very good. Yeah. Okay. See, India is a funny country. In the US, the United States is made up of 50 states. The
Yes,
federal government, union government, no central government, it cannot create a new state or it cannot abolish a present state. It cannot say one state, you go away from USA, we don't want you in USA. It cannot say anything. Okay, that is federalism, true federalism. In India, we don't have true federalism. Okay, many people are thinking India has a nice constitution and good federalism and all that. It's not there. See, in India, India is only a union and the states are there only for administrative reasons. So the American Constitution was formed when all the 50 states agreed to become part of a union. In India, the states did not agree and India was not created. Okay, a few Brahmin elites sitting at the top, who chased away the British and the British gave the territories and left and went them. Okay, they decided that India will be a union. For namesake, they said India is a federal state and all that. But actually, India is only a union. If you see the laws, Article 1, 2, and 3 of the Constitution, the federal state can actually dismiss or destroy a state. For example, if the central government, the BJP government wants to say, okay, we don't want this state Tamil Nadu, let us rub it away. They can simply do it by, if they can pass a majority in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Matter over. You don't have to even amend the constitution. Just say, okay, we don't want this, pass a bill and abolish Tamil Nadu and make it part of Andhra Pradesh or something, or make it part of Kerala. Then they can do it. Okay, they can play tamasha with the states. Okay, this is not true federalism. But when you study, in your social science books and all, they will talk as if there is some kind of federalism and all. No, it is not federalism. India is a very centralized union. Okay, the states are there chumma for the sake of the center. GST also is an example. State should collect all the tax and give it to the center. Then center, then you should go to the center and beg. The center will give the states all the money, whatever they want. If they don't give, that's all, states gone. You understand? States are at the mercy of the center, so much so that the states are destructible. We do not have a Tamil Nadu in future if the central government decides. You understand? Central government means what? Not the executive, the parliament, the central legislature. So that is a kind of thing. So collection of states in our country, is it well defined? Today there are 29 states, okay, because the center has got the power to make states, to abolish states, to join states, okay, like that. But so we as a people only must be powerful and exert our rights in order to retain. Oh, we are Tamil people, we will have Tamil Nadu. Or we are Telugu people, we need to have Andhra Pradesh. If we don't fight for it, okay, the central won't give it, okay. So this constitution is not a very good constitution that way. Please understand, in your social science, your teachers don't know social science. They will teach you all sorts of, chumma, they will teach you out of the book. I teach IAS. When I teach IAS, I teach them the real thing, okay. So the real thing is that India is not federalist at all. It is only a union. The states are there only simply for the sake of administrative reasons. Andhra Pradesh, Potti Sri Ramulu is a very great Congress leader. He fought and fought and fought for over 7 years, and he died in 56 days of fasting, okay, and said we will have Telugu people will have separate Andhra Pradesh. After he died, only the Nehru and the Vallabhbhai Patel and all those fellows who are the central government, Delhi Brahmins, they all could not help it, and too much of noise from the states. Therefore, they gave, okay, you have Andhra Pradesh, and separated Madras presidency into Andhra Pradesh. Otherwise, it was called Madras presidency. Bombay state, Madras state, like that only. British gave and went. 10 provincial states with electorates they gave and went. Very different today now. The states we have today is very different from the states that was there in 1947 when the British left. Okay. When they left, they gave 10 states with had legislative assemblies and other things. So collection of states in our country will keep changing, but not changing so fast that you cannot define it. Okay. So very interesting statement there. Okay. Collection of beautiful flowers in the garden. Is that a well-defined set?
Not a well.
Who is to say what is beautiful? Arpana may like roses. Sandhya may like lilies. Okay, other person, I may like jasmines. Then beautiful flowers, no. 2/3 are not beautiful, I'll say. You say, no. Everything is beautiful, one person will say, like that. Okay, subjective things, they are not well defined. Okay. Right. I might consider the jasmine beautiful flower, you may not. So we'll all consider only those collections to be sets where there is no such ambiguity. Ambiguity means what? Can somebody tell me what is the meaning of the word ambiguity? Ambiguity means what, yeah?
Don't know.
Don't ambiguity. Okay. Ambidextrous means you can work with both hands. You are comfortable with both hands. You can write with your right hand, you can write with your left hand. Okay, ambidextrous. Ambiguity. Ambi means two. Okay. So meaning is this way or meaning is that way. We don't know. So if you have two types of meaning for a single definition, then that means you cannot define it properly. Okay. So that is only ambiguity. Vagueness. More than one meaning. So that it is not properly defined. That is ambiguity. So in sets, in maths and all, you should not have any ambiguity. Okay. So 3 and 5 are not sets. Okay. Don't read activity and all. Okay. Read the note. Okay. Read the note.
Elements of a set are listed only once.
That is very important. I am defining a set as a set of numbers less than 10, and I am saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 10. Is it correct?
No, uncle, you should only
not correct?
do it once.
So
you said 1 and 2
I am putting it
twice.
2 times. So it's not correct. Okay. So you think of that. That is a very common mistake that you will see. Only the set one member must be unique and it must come only once. It must not repeat. Okay.
The order of listing the elements of the set does not change the set.
If suppose you say set of all people in the Zoom meeting. Okay, set of all people in this Zoom meeting. Can Sandhya, you tell set of all people in the Zoom meeting? I'm telling A equal to set of all the people in the Zoom meeting. Tell the names.
Abel Raj uncle,
Hmm.
B. Arpana, C. Sandhya.
Sandhya, okay. Arpana, you want to say?
A is equal to Abel Raj uncle, Arpana, Sandhya.
Okay, very good. You also said the same one. If I say A is equal to Sandhya, Arpana, and Abel Raj. Okay, is it a different set or is it the same set?
It is the same set, uncle.
The same set. Very good. So now you understand that. Okay. Since it is necessary to know whether an object is an element in the set or not, we do not want to list that element many times. Okay. Don't list many times. Only once you should list. Okay. Now you are coming to an important thing. Set notation. How to represent a set. Okay. That is very important. Now, Arpana said A is equal to. So that is one way to represent a set. Okay. Somebody read.
Notation. A set is usually denoted by capital letters of English alphabets A, B, P, Q, X, Y, etc.
Hmm.
The element of a set is written within curly brackets. If it,
You remember
if
that? Both of you, you have finished set theory, right?
yes, uncle.
Okay. So you remember, you know how to write a set, correct?
Yes, uncle.
So we said orally, we said this. But in practice, how will you write this?
A is equal to curly brackets, the elements, and then closed curly bracket.
Very good. So you know that. Oh, all the crackpot thing is here. It's all 11th standard maths, huh? You will come to 11th, you will enjoy. Do your 9th well, you will enjoy. So what Arpana says is, okay, like that we'll put. Then okay, so that is the way to represent he's telling. Okay,
Yes.
very easy stuff. Okay, if X is an element of set A or X belongs to A, how to write it? X is an
X
element of
belongs
A.
to A.
So
Belongs
X belongs to A or X is an element of A. That is what he say. Okay, so how to, am I saying what I am saying is right? You must tell me. Is it true or false?
False, uncle.
False, uncle.
Very
Does
good.
not belong to.
Does not belong. Very good. If X is not an element of A or X does not belong to A, you just cross it out. Okay. Okay. Then what? Okay. Read the examples.
For example, consider a set A is equal to curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7 curly bracket. Then 2 is an element of A. We write 2 belongs to A. 5 is an element of A. We write 5 belongs to A. 6 is not an element of A. We write 6 does not belong to A.
Very good. Okay. Now we have some set like what we said. Okay. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Somebody read, and then alternatively you have to fill in the blank. Sandhya will tell you 1, Arpana will tell 2, Sandhya will tell 3, Arpana 4, Sandhya will tell 5. Like that we tell.
Murali Vijay belongs to A.
Sandhya, Arpana.
Ashwin belongs to A.
Okay. Sandhya.
Badrinath belongs to A.
Okay. Arpana.
Ganguly does not belong to A.
Okay.
10 to 12 does not belongs to A.
Okay, does not belong to A. Very good. Belong to A. Very good. Now you understood how to form set and all that. Okay. Now representation of the set. This is very important. Here only many people are struggling. Okay, you get this correctly, lot of things you can get correct. The collection of odd numbers. Okay, Arpana, can you read?
Yes, uncle. Representation of a set. The collection of odd numbers can be described in many ways. Number one, the set of odd numbers is a fine description. We understand it well.
You can just say
Number-
set of odd numbers. No, 1, 3, 5. We understand. Okay. Then
Number two, it can be written as 1, 3, 5, etc. Number three, also it can be said as a collection of all numbers x, where x is an odd number.
So there are 3 different ways to say it. Okay.
All of them are equivalent and useful. For instance, the two descriptions, the collection of all solution to the equation x minus 5 is equal to 3 and 8 refer to the same set.
Okay, how does they refer? How is it referring to the same set? Okay, x minus 5, the collection of all solutions. Okay, to the equation x minus 5.
8 minus 5 is 3, uncle.
So x is
so
equal
x
to
must
8.
be 8. Correct. Very good. Very good. So, and 8 refer to the same set. Okay. The set is not x minus 5. The set is all solutions to equation x minus 5 equal to 3. This is the way to define the set. Okay. A is equal to all solutions to the equation x minus 5 equal to 3. B is equal to 8. Okay. But you not put B, you can put A because both are same. This also is 8, that also is 8. Okay. So they are equivalent. This word is useful, very useful. What does it mean? Equivalent means they are the same as each other. Although you define it in a different way, they are finally the same. Okay, continue reading.
Representation of a set. Descriptive form. In descriptive form, a set is described in words. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet.
Okay, set of all vowels in English alphabet. Tell me. Alphabet.
A, E, I, O, U.
A, E, I, O, U. Okay, very good. Set of whole numbers.
Numbers
Start
from 0.
And so on, uncle.
Like that you can say. Or you can say the set of whole numbers. Or you can say this way. Okay, both ways are referring to the same set. Okay. This is descriptive form. This is the other form, second form. This is the first form. Okay. Now onwards, everything will be very easy because this exercise is very easy. We'll finish this and get on to algebra.
Yes.
Let us do algebra. Yeah. Okay, this is called set builder form. Earlier you had what? Descriptive form. That means you are using words to tell what it is. Set of all vowels in the English language. Set of all vowels in the Tamil language, like that. Set of all vowels in the Tamil language. What is the number of elements? Set of all vowels in the Tamil language. Like that you have to keep. Okay. You understand? This set of all vowels in the Tamil language. How many of you studying Tamil?
I am studying.
Yeah, you're studying.
Yes,
Somebody
uncle.
studying Tamil.
I am studying Tamil,
We
uncle.
both study, uncle.
You also studying Tamil, Arpana. Very good.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Now set builder form. This only people don't understand properly. So let's focus on this. Somebody read.
Set builder form or rule form. In set builder form, all the elements are described by a rule. For example, A is equal to X is to S is a vowel in English alphabets. B
You
is
should
equal
not read like that. A is equal to open curly brackets X colon X is a vowel in English alphabets. See, descriptive form, it is also telling something like similar. The set of all vowels in English alphabets. That is how descriptive form is telling. But set notation form or set builder form is telling X colon
such
X is a
that
vowel in English alphabets. Okay. So X will be replaced by X is a vowel in the English alphabet. So first time X will be A, second time X will be E, third time it will be I, fourth time it will be O, fifth time it will be U. Okay. X equal to A, X equal to E, X equal to I, X equal to O, X equal to U. Okay, that is the meaning of it. So please understand, set builder form is a very powerful way to show sets. Okay, go on.
B is equal to X such that is a whole number. Close
Such that X is a whole number. See, same thing we found here also. The set of all whole numbers is descriptive language. Here, B is equal to X colon X is a whole number or dash, vertical dash, X is a whole number again. So this is the definition, and X is a variable is given. So you give a variable, and after you give a variable, you describe what that variable is going to be. Okay, then every time that variable will be filled with all the members of the set. Okay, only one variable, but the definition of X is giving all the elements of the set will come into that X, will be equal to that X. Okay, like that. Okay, now the third one is roster form. Okay, somebody read
Uncle, there is a note, uncle, that colon is called like
such that X, such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. Okay, you can say that. Okay, or you can just read X colon. Okay, that is up to you to read it. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, next one.
roasted form or tabular form. A set
Not roasted, roster.
Roster form.
What is roster? Is your name on the roster? Attendance roster, like that, no? If your name is on the roster, you will be allowed in, sir. Your name is not on the roster, so you are not allowed inside, like that. Okay, roster means that form. It's a table, listed. Okay, best way to see a roster is what? It is a list, or it is a table. And 1, 2, 3, so many things are there in that table. Okay, that is a roster. Is your name on the roster? We can ask. Or is that vegetable on the roster? Is that item on the program roster? Like that, you can ask. Yeah, go on.
Roster form or tabular form. A set can be described by listing all the elements of the set. For example, A is equal to curly bracket AEIOU, open closed curly bracket. B is equal to curly bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, closed curly bracket.
Very good. So the 3 dots are called ellipses. Okay. So it is a way of saying that the pattern that is shown in the first few elements, that same pattern will continue throughout. Okay. Then you are asking the question, can this form of representation be possible always? Maybe not. Maybe roster form cannot always be possible. It's not always possible. So sometimes you have to use set builder form only. Sometimes even the descriptive form may not be enough. That's not clearly defined. But the set builder form will be clearly defined. Okay. Okay, now you tell me activity 2 is important. Whether it is you convert from descriptive form, set of all natural numbers less than 10. Okay, and I'm going to see whether you can give meeting control. Can you write? You have a mouse, can you write here? Set builder form.
Yes, uncle.
Can you write here like that?
Yes, uncle.
Are you
Can
able
I
to
see
write?
the question again, uncle?
The set of all natural numbers less than 10, you
Okay.
write in set builder form.
Okay.
Are you able to write? Okay.
Yes, uncle.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yeah. We just put that. This is also one possibility.
uncle.
Another possibility, A is equal to
X is to X.
X is a natural number. X greater than or equal to 1, X less than or equal to 10. This also you can write. Okay.
We have done also this, uncle. X is to X. X is equal to N, comma, X is less than 10. With
This also you
symbols,
can
uncle.
write.
Yes, uncle.
Or you can write N like this also you can write.
Yes.
Different ways of doing it, set notation. Okay. Roster form, what you will write? Sandhya, can you write in roster form?
Yes,
Right,
uncle.
I'll put and give you, you write. Write in roster form here. Correct. Very good. Very good, very good. Yes, that is roster form. Okay, I now understand that you guys have read well. Okay, set of all natural numbers less than 10. Then X colon such that X is a multiple of 3 and X is a natural number. Can you say descriptive form? Can you say orally? Descriptive form. Anybody say orally?
The set of a natural number which is a multiple of 3.
That way. Set of all natural numbers which are multiples of 3. Okay. So, okay, Sandhya, roster form for this. Can you write here roster form? X is a multiple of 3. Right, I'll just shift. X is a multiple of 3. X is an element of natural numbers. Yeah, can you? 1 second. I will
Uncle, what do you mean by that, uncle? Multiple of 3.
X is multiple of 3. What does it mean? Multiplication table for 3, you don't know.
I can't understand, uncle.
You don't know multiplication table. You didn't learn this. Did you learn or you didn't learn?
I've learned, uncle.
Yeah. So what are all these numbers?
3, 6, 9,
They
12.
are all multiples of 3. So set of A is equal to X, where X is X divided by 3 also you can say. The remainder is 0. Like that you can say. Okay. Or descriptive words is X is a descriptive words is all the natural numbers which are multiples of 3. That's what she said. Okay. Roster form, how will you say? Now you write in roster form here. You have a mouse, no? You're writing?
Yes, uncle.
Roster multiples of 3. You're writing 1, 2, 3. You're writing all natural numbers. You should write only natural numbers which are multiples of 3. Very good. Then what you have to put? Ellipse. No, you cannot cover like that. Set of all natural numbers which are multiples of 3. This one you are telling only up to 15. You have to put this 3 dots.
So on.
That means and so on and such like this. You have to put. Then only it is correct. Okay. Now you are learning something. Okay. Set of all days in a week. Very easy. Set builder form. Who wants to do? Set of all days in a week. Who wants to do?
Can I do, uncle?
Do. X. No, you should not use set of all again inside. That is descriptive language. X colon. What is colon? Colon means such that, no?
Yes, uncle.
Such that. X such that X is a what?
Set of all these levels.
Matter over. This is set. That's why set builder form only. Everybody will have problem. Everything else they'll sell easily. Descriptive form you will tell. Oh, X is a day of the week. You can tell. Okay. Set builder form that only is very important. The set of all the days of the week you can easily tell descriptive form. X such that X is a day of the week. Like that, if you tell only the set builder form. Okay. Now somebody tell roster form. Somebody write roster form. Yes, good. Who's doing it? Sandhya doing it, huh? Okay. Very good, very good. Write only 3 letters. Don't write 4 letters. I mean full name. THU, like that you write. Enough. Because you understand what it is now. FRI, okay. Actually, which is the first day of the week? Monday or Sunday? Sunday only first day of the week. Because you're all going to school on Monday, you're thinking Monday is the first day of the week. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Set of all. Okay, roster form also you finished. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is this in descriptive form?
This is integers, uncle.
Set of all integers. Okay, again writing it in set builder form will be difficult. How you write it in set builder form?
Z, uncle. We have to use Z instead of integers.
Oh, okay. Write in set builder form. You try. Set of all -3, -2, -1, everything that is written in tabular form, roster form. You write in set builder form. Okay, if you like this, that is an element such that it is greater than -4 and less than 3. Okay, that will not be the set of all integers. It will only be -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, but what is this thing actually showing? See, it is having an ellipsis here, so that means the pattern repeats this side also. -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. It is going like that, no? So it is actually a set of all the integers. It is not just these few numbers. Okay, only these 7 numbers it is not telling. It is telling the set of all the integers. So Z, okay, usually represents integers. Correct. You are correct in writing Z. Okay, but Z equal to set of all integers. Okay, the only way you can write this, as far as I know, the only way you can write this, x is an integer. This is the only way you can write. Okay, once if you use Z, then you have to write the numbers. The range of the numbers will become restricted. So this is only set builder form for that. Okay, descriptive form is a set of all integers. Set of all integers is descriptive form. Okay, set roster form is the set builder form is this one. Roster form only -3, -2, -1, dot dot dot. Okay, then 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. So this dot 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 means it continues it infinitely this side, it continues infinitely this side. That is why it is set of all integers. Okay, good. Okay, then he is telling one example. Write the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Very important. Assessment. This word is assessment. Okay, that word is assessment. You have to write it in roster form.
Which is already repeated, we should not write it again, uncle.
That is very, very important. Correct. So S is coming 4 times. He's put S only once. That way, same way E is coming 2 times. He has put E only once. Okay. Other ones are all coming only one time. So you are putting that. So A, C, M, and T. That is the important thing. So you should not go and write A, comma S, comma S, comma E, comma S, comma S, comma M, comma E, comma N, comma T. That is wrong, because it should not repeat. The element will not repeat itself. Okay, so you're writing it in roster form, it will not repeat itself. Same way P. What is repeating in the second one?
P is repeating.
Huh?
P is repeating. I is repeating.
That's all. Nothing else is repeating.
Then that's all, uncle.
That's all. So good. Which of the followings are sets? You tell me now. Exercise 1.1. one first Sandhya tell me, then Arpana tell me, we can keep going. Collection of prime numbers up to 100. Is it a set or is it not?
Is it a set, uncle? This is a set.
Right? Okay, it is a set. Okay, Arpana, you tell me, collection of rich people in India.
Set, uncle.
What, Arpana?
It's not a set.
It's not a set because it's very vague. Yeah.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Sandhya, collection of all rivers in India.
Set, uncle.
Yeah. You know, Kaveri, Godavari, Krishna, 4 rivers in Kerala. You can count there. There may be 100 or 200 rivers only. That's all. Okay, you can count the rivers. It's defined. Okay, Arpana.
That's also not a set, uncle. Collection of
Not
good
a
hockey
set.
players.
Why?
Because we are not to judge one, and there might be better hockey players also, uncle.
Good or good. That word good is a problem. You are saying that word good is a problem. Very good. Okay. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Do this now. First one. Arpana, do for first one.
INDA, uncle.
Very good. Okay. Now you, Sandhya, you do for second one.
Okay, uncle.
First you find out what all is repeating. You can write. You can write on the screen itself. Just write on top of it. Right. Okay. P.
Uncle, I couldn't write, uncle.
Okay, you write here then. Wait 1 second. Parallelogram. Okay, you write here now. Are you able to write here?
Yes, uncle. P A A is repeating, uncle. Then L. L is also repeating. Then E. L is also repeating. Then O. G. R is repeating. A is repeating. Then M.
Very good. Okay. So only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members are in the set. Very good. Okay. Mississippi. Arpana, you can try Mississippi.
I need to write it down.
You try here. This you write Mississippi. Do. That's all. Only four members are there. Very simple, no? Yeah, everything else repeated. Okay. Sandhya, you do Czechoslovakia. That's what they will keep telling all the time. CZECH. Now you put for this. Right here. Yes. 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 That's K, no? Okay. Okay.
Sorry, uncle.
Right. Okay. What is the one thing wrong? That is repeating. So this should not be there. This is K only, no?
Yes, uncle.
Oh, that is H. Okay. Then you are correct. You are correct. Okay, correct. Very good. Czech Republic. Okay, very good. Consider the following sets. One thing we'll do and finish. A0358, B2468, C1214, 85. State whether true or false. Okay, and fill in the blanks. That alone you do. Okay, alternatively you should do. Start with Arpana. Arpana 1, true or false. Read and tell me.
Number 1 is true, uncle.
True, okay. Sandhya, second one.
6 does not belongs to A. 6 belongs to B, uncle. This is true.
I don't want all that. Whether you true or false, you tell.
True, uncle.
True, huh? 6 belongs to A. Huh? Where it is? Where is 6 in A? 0, 3, 5, 8 I am seeing. Where is 6 in A? It's not there.
There's no 6.
Okay. So 6 not an element of A. 6 does not belong to A. Okay, right. Arpana.
False, uncle. Because 14 is there in the C set.
Very good. Sandhya, this one.
True, uncle.
Okay, very good. Arpana.
False, uncle.
Very good. Sandhya.
False, uncle.
Yeah, false. Not part of that. Okay. Don't confuse null set and 0. Okay, null set is different. Okay, this is null set. This is not null set. 0 is an element. Okay, this is only null set. It's the same as saying like this. Okay, don't confuse that. They will try to give you like that. Okay, fill in the blanks and let us finish. Fill in the blanks. It's a theory, very easy, no?
Yes, uncle.
Okay, one by one. Arpana, start. Fill in the blanks.
Belongs to A, uncle.
3 belongs to A. Very good. Okay. Sandhya.
14 belongs to C, uncle.
Okay. Sandhya. Arpana.
18 does not belong to B.
18 does not belong to B. Okay, you can write like that.
4 belongs to B.
4 belongs to B. Okay, very good. We'll stop there, huh? Or you want to finish this exercise? 4th one. Oh, it's going to 5th one also. Then 6th one, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4th one. Why don't you do for homework and come? Just 4th one alone. First 3 is easy.
Okay, uncle.
You should write in roster form, list form. Okay, tabular form. That only they are asking. Can somebody tell first one?
Two, 4, 5.
Wait, I'll write. As you tell, I will write.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, uncle.
Very good. Set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Very good. That is roster form. Okay. Now B also, let us try B. Y such that y is equal to 1 by 2n, where n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 5. Okay.
N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, uncle.
This one, n is natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. Y is equal to 1 by 1 into 1. 1 by 1
2,
into
uncle.
2.
2 into 1, uncle.
2 into 1.
2 into 1, 2 into 2. 1 by 2 into 3. 1 by 2 into 4.
1 by 2
by
into
2
5.
into 5. Okay. Now what it will be then? Y. B is
1
what
by
set?
2.
1 by 2.
4.
1
1 by 4. 1 by 6.
uh,
By 8.
1 by 8. 1 by 10.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, then third one also you can tell me then. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just wipe this all out. Third one. C. What is C? X is a perfect cube. Okay. But it's greater than 27, less than 216. What is 27 a cube of? 2 cubed, huh? 3 cubed. Okay, 3 cubed. Okay, what is 216 a cube of? 6 cubed, correct? 6 cubed is 216, correct?
Yes, uncle.
So in between, what are numbers? Between 3 and 6, what numbers are there?
4 and 5.
Only 4 and 5. What is 4 cubed is equal to what? How much is 4 cubed?
64, uncle.
64. What is 5 cubed?
125.
25.
125. Okay. So C is equal to 64, 125.
125.
That's all. Okay. Then let us do D also. We'll finish it. D, X such that X is an integer.
Integer.
Roster form you write. Now you write. Tell me. Very easy.
-4, -3,
-2,
2,
-1,
0,
0, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Why 2 also is coming?
Because it's less than, greater than or equal to.
Less than or equal to. Very good. Okay, we'll stop there. You are getting something. Today we went very slowly. Tomorrow onwards, next class onwards, we'll pick up speed and enjoy the set theory. After that, we'll do algebra. Algebra
Yes,
is where the real, the crux of mathematics is in algebra. Okay, everything else is finally leading to algebra. That's the best one. Okay, okay, set theory we'll do. We are doing fast enough. We have done some very good work. You guys have come together. I have only one, what do you say, complaint against you guys. After school started, you stop doing the homework. Okay, that is going to be a problem for you guys because you stop doing the homework. That means you will not, your learning is not getting consolidated. Okay, so don't do only the school work. You want to get one goal you are going to have. That goal you cannot compromise. Your goal is to get 100 out of 100 in maths. Okay, that goal you cannot compromise. So please, that goal also is part of your goal. Okay, your goal is to get good marks in all the subjects. Fine, good. But you have a special goal. What is a special goal? Your special goal is to get 100 out of 100 in maths. Okay, that is not contradicting your other goals. What are your other goal? Your other goal is to get good marks in all the subjects. Okay, you keep that goal. You do that. But this goal you also is a special goal where you have to get 100 out of 100 in maths. Okay, that goal also you keep and do for both, work towards both the goals. Okay, work toward both the goals. Don't forget this goal just because your school has started. That's not nice. You have to work towards both the goals. Write both the goals in your notebook somewhere or keep it in your desk. Get 100 out of 100 in maths, put that one. Then get good marks in all the subjects. Put that as goal number 2 and goal number 1. Okay, so work towards both the goals. I'm not saying you should not get good marks in all the subjects. You get good marks in all the subjects. That is goal number 1. But goal number 2 is get 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Okay, write that goal also down and work towards both of that. Okay, good. 4 sums we did. 5 and 6 we will do tomorrow. Next class. Bye guys.
Today's homework, uncle.
Huh?
Homework.
Homework you can do 5 then.
Okay, uncle.
Set builder form. That only is tough. You think of that and come. Do 5.
Okay, uncle.
6 is easy. So you do 5 and come and send it on WhatsApp. 6 we'll do in class. Okay. Bye bye.
Uncle, bye.
Bye. And hello guys. I forgot to ask you one thing. What about the fees?